Okay, this is a reminder to myself. Let us do the service carried out on this 2019 Mercedes Benz S560. So first what you're gonna do is to press the start button once and you will get to this screen. From this screen you hold down the back home button and then you press the center button once and you will get to this screen, vehicle data. Then you scroll down to assist plus, and from here the car will say switch ignition on. Then you press the start button once, and from here it takes you to this menu where you can go to full service carried out. You go to full service carried out and then you press the full service carried out, right? And then from here you will do what you want to do, so you confirm all service, and that's how you reset the oil maintenance reminder on this motor vehicle. Guys, thanks for watching.